Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find the font or fonts used in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you're working with documents and need to maintain consistent typography or recreate a similar design. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you enter your details correctly to access your account and all its features. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen of Adobe Acrobat, showing you a list of documents you've recently opened or worked on. From this list, select the file where you want to identify the fonts. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your PDF is open, look to the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find the Edit button. Click on this button to enter editing mode. This mode allows you to interact with the text and other elements within your PDF, which is essential for what we're about to do next. Once you're in editing mode, direct your attention to the left panel again. You should see an option labeled Select Text. Click on this button and then proceed to click Select from the options that appear. This activates the text selection tool, giving you the ability to click on and highlight specific text within your document. Go ahead and click on the text whose font you want to identify. You can select a single word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. The key here is to make sure you've selected the exact text you're interested in analyzing. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted once you've clicked on it. After selecting your text, navigate back to the left panel and look for the Format Text section. Click on this to expand the formatting options available for your selected text. This is where all the magic happens. In the Format Text section, you'll now be able to view the font used in your PDF. Adobe Acrobat will display the font name, along with other formatting details like size and style. This information is crucial if you need to match the font in another document or application. And there you have it. You've successfully identified the font used in your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.